But the students are undertaking a number of different roles as part of this project. We've got team managers, race engineers, data engineers, number 1 mechanics and number 2 mechanics. There's around 30 students that have signed up to the programme, and they'll be working on a rotational basis throughout the season. As part of this project, the students will learn a lot of really useful skills that will help set them well for industry, including how to manage their time, how to work together as a team, and how to communicate effectively. With a team of 30-odd students, but only sort of 6 to 8 being at each event, the students have to spend a lot of time being able to hand over information to each other in between those events.
I would like to thank the uni for giving us such an amazing opportunity.
I'm used to obviously working with professionals, professional teams and in a professional outfit, so it's a wonderful opportunity for the students to work with myself, to try and learn off me, and obviously for me to learn off the students.
Make the most of a brilliant opportunity we've got sat in front of us. It's a brilliant textbook to learn from.
We've got a different range of year groups here. We've got year 1s, year 2s and year 3s. So some of the year 1s are putting into practice their workshop technology module, basic stuff like chassis, stringing, that kind of thing, and the more hands-on approach. We've got the year 2s here that are doing a lot of the data, which relates to our electronics. It also ties into our chassis modules. A couple of year 3s, they're applying a lot more of their advanced powertrain, their advanced electronics, their data engineering, so there is a lot of the course being put into practice today.
So working with me, I think they gain a lot of experience. Us professional drivers are very demanding. We like the car perfect, we want to win all the time. So for the students, I think it's just getting used to that pressure situation when a driver comes in and not necessarily happy with the car. It's dealing with that and then relaying my feelings into a theory that they've learned. So it's a brilliant tool, actually doing it for real at a race circuit under pressure situations, because in the future when they're working in the motorsport industry, they'll be used to that pressure from a professional driver.
So this is the first time I've been to trackside with the team, and this is something I've really wanted to do for a long time, and it's great to experience it with the university.
So this experience has given me extended knowledge of some modules, so I can develop my skills, get a better understanding, and also can see the teaching being put into practice.
So I've been here as a race engineer, so it's one of the bigger roles here. So doing it now while I'm still in the 3rd year is a great opportunity, basically to get the practice. Sometimes things can go so wrong and you need to react, and this is stuff that cannot be learned in the university. You need to really go through the practice of it.
The thing I've actually enjoyed most is seeing a lot of people that have never been here before get to experience it. The team got most of the adjustments and the car setup finalised last night, so today has been pretty relaxed. So now it's just the final preparations before going to quali. So quali actually went really well. It's a great start to a big season ahead of us. It feels absolutely amazing to finish our first race in P2. I'm sure the rest of the team will agree with me. It's definitely given us all high hopes for the rest of the season working with Tom, because he's shown some amazing talent. All of the students have done amazingly together. It's actually been really nice to watch them evolve over the weekend. So having a bunch of people that didn't know how to work together at the beginning and now watching them all work so efficiently and effectively is great.
Now, the students have done a fantastic job this weekend. They've had a lot to do. It's been a very short timetable with very small gaps in between the sessions. They've had a lot of work to do in terms of car prep, making all the setup changes that they've decided on based on the feedback from the driver and from looking at the data. But overall, they've worked fantastically together. Everything's been done. It's been done on time, and we've had a fantastic weekend in terms of results. I couldn't have asked anything more from them.